Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Introverts frequently choose to engage in pursuits that provide them the opportunity to work independently and involve a low level of social engagement. Like, share, subscribe and comment. The following are some suggestions for those who feel more comfortable working alone as a side hustle. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great option for people who are good with words since it enables them to work from the comfort of their own home, conducting research and composing articles for online blogs, websites, and even print magazines. 2. Graphic design. Graphic design. If you have a knack for design, you may produce a variety of visual assets, including logos, graphics for social media platforms, website layouts, and more. Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud are two online platforms that can assist you in getting started. 3. Tutoring via the Internet. By providing online tutoring in topics that you are knowledgeable about, you may share the benefits of your experience with others. This can be accomplished through the use of pre-recorded classes or video calls. 4. Assistance via virtual tasks such as email management, scheduling, and data entry are ones that many organizations and entrepreneurs struggle with and could use some assistance with. These responsibilities are handled in a distant capacity by virtual assistants. 5. Here is the transcription. A beneficial service is one that converts spoken or seen content into written form from audio or video. It takes meticulous attention to detail as well as proficient typing abilities. 6. Publication of eBooks. You can publish eBooks on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing if you enjoy writing and want to share your work with others. Making money off of something you have a passion for like this is a fantastic opportunity. 7. Programming and/or development of websites. You can work on programming projects or design websites for clients from the comfort of your own home if you have the abilities necessary to do so. 8. Research and surveys conducted via the Internet. If you want to make some extra money in your leisure time, one option is to take part in online surveys and research studies. Although this may not be an option that offers a huge salary, it is something that can be done on your own time. 9. Items that have been made by hand. If you're good at making things by hand, you might consider selling your wares on online marketplaces like Etsy. Because of this, you are able to set the pace at which you manufacture and market your items. 10. The art of photography. If you have a passion for photography and want to make some extra cash, you can sell your work on websites that sell stock images. This does not involve any kind of face-to-face engagement with customers. 11. The practice of blogging. Create a weblog centered on a subject that deeply interests you. You will eventually be able to monetize it by selling digital things, engaging in affiliate marketing, or displaying advertisements. 12. Video editing. The need for video material is at an all-time high. If you have experience editing videos, you might offer your services to individuals or companies who are trying to improve the quality of their videos. 13. Developing an application or video game. Consider developing mobile applications or easy games that can be played online if you are skilled in programming. This has the potential to be a gratifying creative outlet as well as a source of prospective money. 14. Language instruction. If you are proficient in a second language and know someone who is interested in learning that language, you can offer them online language courses. 15. Data entry and analysis. Data entry and analysis. Data entry and simple analysis are frequently necessary for businesses. If you have a keen eye for detail, this may be a good fit for you. Keep in mind that the success of any additional source of income depends on the talents, devotion, and effort that you put into it. It is essential to go in a direction that takes advantage of your abilities and caters to your passions. Additionally, even introverts can profit from some degree of networking and communication. So, you shouldn't completely avoid opportunities to interact with those working in your chosen profession. Even if you're an introvert, you can still benefit from some level of networking and conversation.